Hello everyone, Lion Teaser here, and today is not a gaming video, but okay. Last night I heard about what's going on in the analyst Brony community and the Brony community in general. The Brony known as Toon Critic Y2K has been interacting in a sexual roleplay with a 14-year-old girl from the Philippines. I'm taking personal offense because of this, because one of my best friends is part Filipino and she's also 14. Well, actually, she just turned 15, like a while back. I haven't told her yet, but I've actually heard from other analysts, bronies, and the bronies in the community about what happened. It actually is a hard pill to swallow, I know. It saddens all of us what happened, and it's going to take a while to finally get over it, but I don't think some of us will, because the girl was a teenager, man. She wasn't even an adult yet. Come on. I'm still in high school. I'm almost 15. I'm 14, almost 15 now. I can't believe that Toon Critic of all people would do something like this. I honestly don't know why. But it's terrible, isn't it? He broke all our hearts, didn't he? What he did. I've heard from the other bronies that he's been banned from all the brony cons and stuff. And I also heard from GoldenFox that his Twitter and other social media things have been taken down as well. That's what I'm hearing. And I feel bad for Thespio because he and Toon Critic were best friends for years. And this betrayal is just terrible. I can't imagine what that feels like. I mean, a lot of people in the analyst Brony community, they're friends with him. And it's just hard to know that this guy broke everyone's heart by doing something like this. And another brony named Fast Track, he had a few choice words about this guy. I'm serious, and serves him right too. What he did. I can't even put into words. I can barely put into words. But it's hard for us, isn't it? I don't think we're ever going to accept this. If we do, it's going to take a while. I know that sometimes things are hard to accept. But what he's done it for almost a year now. And the girl came to the other analyst bronies for help. And that's when they realized what he was doing. According to GoldenFox, Toon Critic asked for pictures of the girl. Maybe that's when it got too far. It's unbelievable, honestly. I mean, he was witty, hilarious, and the analyst Bronies react serious, but to find that he was sexually talking to an underage girl, that's unacceptable. There's so many things I want to say, but I'm afraid I'm gonna pull a Markiplier and start swearing. Just to everyone in the Analyst Boners community and everyone that was close to Toon, I'm sorry. I know that my apology won't fix what he's done, but maybe one day he'll find it hard to apologize. Well, I hate to make this sad video, but I thought I'd put my piece on it. It's just terrible what he did. Well, this is Lightning Chaser, signing off until the next video. Peace.